Hey, my name is Zach, and I want to share with you 3 steps to design beautiful emails for your Shopify brand. This is the exact process that we use to create emails like these in our onboarding process with our clients. So let's dive in. Step 1, you need to get inspired. So you want to look at least 5 to 10 competitors and other brands that you want to look like, whether they're in your exact niche or if they're a little bit outside. You want to go ahead and put all of the emails that you can possibly find that you really like into a swipe file. So at the end, you have 20 to 30 of these types of emails. So you go through and you either sign up to their email list, you use a website like mild.com, which I'll get to in a second, or you just somehow, some way find a bunch of inspiration emails, as many as you possibly can, go through and put together a swipe file. That way you can actually see what you're aiming for and what the top brands are doing. The good thing about this is that with email marketing, you have to put your emails out there into the world. And so these brands that are crushing it, it's not a secret what they're doing. My favorite right here is Mild, so MILLED.com. Look up mild.com and then put your brand, Lululemon, for example, here. You go here and click on this, and you can go and literally see every single Lululemon email ever sent at all. Otherwise, you can just sign up to their list, get a burner email, sign up with that exact same email, and you're good. Then you can go to Pinterest or Behance or wherever and look up graphic design examples for this particular niche. You want to put together 20 plus just graphic design examples and inspiration pictures, and this is going to be a little bit more broad. So I'm going to show you what that looks like here. But for example, it could look like this, where it's some Lululemon shots, it's some graphic design, but it's overall just a swipe file. You're getting a mood here. Some of these things have text, some of them don't. You can use these images, you cannot. But overall, you just want to get a vibe of the brand and build out a swipe file like this. And then finally, you also want to get the images of the products, like from the actual website. So go onto their website, go onto in this case, our client's website, and take a screenshot of their website, get photos and images. You can download every single one. There's Chrome extensions that allow you to take all the photos off their website and download them all at once, and then just go to that client and get their social media posts and previous emails and images and photos that they give you. And overall, you just want to create this entirely massive swipe file that you can reference at all times. And so you have unlimited creativity because you have so many brands and so many inspiration photos ahead of time. A big thing that I really want to emphasize is that we're doing all the creative work. Majority of it comes at the start when we onboard a client. That way we have great emails to go from. We can create templates, and then it's not reinventing the wheel later down the road. And at this point too, we've already completed an onboarding form. We've completed the onboarding call. We understand what the brand is going for in terms of, yes, they like this, no, they don't like this. And we overall want to gather as much information as possible so we can get inspired. That's step 1. Step 2, building out sections and then templates. So now what we do is we take what other brands are doing and we put our own spin on things, and we create these different sections. So it could be hero headers, it could be different body sections, it could be icons, it could be text sections, it could be infographics like this. Transitions between sections is great. Product sections, you're going to create your buttons. You're going to look at the colors and make sure that's matched. You're going to create the footers, and overall, you just want to take every single aspect of the email and you want to break it down. The reason is it's going to be easy to mix and match things. It's going to speed up our process. It'll help make super unique emails because you can just, again, mix and match. So it's way more organized, and we're remixing what already works. We're looking at success. We're looking at the top brands. We're looking at Lululemon. We're looking at Nike. We're looking at other direct competitors, seeing what they're doing, remixing it, putting our own spin on things, but not reinventing the wheel. So that is super important. That way we can just have unlimited creativity here, unlimited hero headers, and we can build this up over time. So we can start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then eventually we might have 10 hero headers that we continually rotate in and out. Now that we have the sections created, we want to build out some templates. So it's a little bit harder, especially for the client, to see what the emails will look like if we have it split out into different sections. Instead, what we want to do is go and build out full emails like the ones you see here. So we're going to take all these sections, and all you do is take a header, take some bodies, put the bodies together, put the footer in there, and that's it. That's the email. Normally, we would just create like actual emails, but with fake copy. You can see here, the copy's not actually real. We're just creating the designs. We want the client to get approval on the designs beforehand. That way, once we put the copy on there, all we have to do is swap out the text and we're good to go. So we're going through here and we're just giving the client a vibe of what the emails are going to look like. And those are these templates. Now, all we got to do is step 3, actually create the email. So you need to go in, and at this point, you have a bunch of these templates. You can mix and match a little bit more, and there you have the end result. All you got to do is put the copy in there. So then you get the full emails, and it's super simple. All you got to do is just, again, swap out some text. So you'll get emails like this that look almost exactly the same as the templates, maybe just some better copy and a few different designs. But overall, you're going to create emails just like this. And you can see you went from having nothing to having inspiration to having templates and sections to having the full emails. And now you're good to go. And you can update this over time. You can build out more emails. And overall, it's going to way speed up your process since you are building up this library of headers, footers, random elements, product sections, transitions, all this good stuff. You're just building this up over time. So if you want email designs like the ones you see on screen here, just simply head to zhs-ecom.com. That's zhs-ecom.com. Take your brand to the next level. Add 10 to 35% to your monthly revenue in the next 90 days with those email designs that are highly converting and beautiful as well. So appreciate your time.